Hi, ready to back up and restore your data smoothly? We've got the top 6 best tactics for you. Let's dive in. Way 1. How to back up and restore Huawei in one click. Interested in streamlining the backup and restore with just one click? Look no further than Mobikin Backup Manager for Android. This professional tool simplifies Huawei data backup and tasks effortlessly. Step 1. Begin by downloading and launching Android Backup and Restore on your computer. Establish a connection between your Huawei phone and computer using either USB or Wi-Fi and enable USB debugging. Wait until the software detects your device. Step 2. Next, select Backup and indicate the file types you wish to archive onto your computer. Once chosen, initiate the backup by clicking the Backup button. Allow the software to proceed with the backup operation. Step 3. You need to retrieve the backed up data onto your Huawei device. Navigate to the primary interface and opt for Restore. Select the desired file types for restoration. Then click on the Restore button to transfer them back onto your linked Huawei device. Way 2. How to back up Huawei to PC and restore it via Assistant for Android. Mobikin offers another popular Android data management tool known as Mobikin Assistant for Android Win and Mac. This tool streamlines data transfer, backup, and restore for Huawei phones. Backup Huawei to your computer. Install Android Phone Manager on your computer. Connect Huawei phone via USB. Follow instructions to recognize the phone. Select data types, preview files, and click Export to back up to your computer. Restore Huawei from the backup file. Once your phone is recognized by the program, choose any file type from the menu. Select Import at the top of the screen to pick the backup content stored on your computer. Save the selected items to initiate the restoration process on your Android. Way 3. How to back up Huawei phone and restore it using SD card. Go to Tools Backup on Huawei. Tap Backup. Select SD card. Then Next. Choose Data to back up. Tap Next. Tap Select All or pick items. Encrypt data by setting a password if needed. Restore. Go to Huawei's Tools Backup. Tap Restore. Select Restore from SD card. Then Next. Choose Backup File. Enter password if encrypted. Pick items to restore and tap Restore. Way 4. How do I back up and restore my Huawei files via Huawei Hisuite? Open the program. Connect Huawei via USB. Enable hidden settings. Check USB debugging if needed. Open Hisuite. Go to Home, Backup. Select the data to back up and designate a backup path. Tap Backup to start. Upon completion, a notification reading Complete will appear. Tap Done to confirm. Restore Huawei from the Hisuite backup. Upon reaching the main screen of Hisuite, access the Restore option displayed on the home page. Choose the data you wish to restore from the restoration page. Initiate the restoration process by tapping Restore and Confirm. By selecting Done, once the complete notification appears. Way 5. How to back up and restore Huawei with Huawei Cloud. Backup. Unlock device. Go to Settings Huawei Cloud. Agree to terms. Activate Huawei Cloud. Choose new or existing user. Create or log into account. Enable data types to sync. Restore. Open Huawei Cloud and sign in if needed. Tap Backup and choose the backup to restore. Select the data to restore and tap Restore to begin. Wait for completion and confirm the restoration. Way 6. How to back up and restore Huawei phone with Google account. Go to Settings General Backup and Restore for automatic backup. Optionally, sync data in Settings Accounts Google. To save files, upload to Google Drive. Open app. Tap Plus. Select Upload Files. Restore. Open Google Drive on Huawei. Sign in. Download backup file. Go to Settings System and Updates Backup and Restore. Select File. Confirm Restore. Wait and verify data. Comparison. Which method is the best?